Good morning everybody and welcome to Elinor Fly Fishery. It's fishing well. Just been having a good chat with Brad, the owner, who's a fantastic chap. I just need to avoid these sheep so I don't upset those lambs. So I've got the float tube with me, but in about an hour we're forecast to get some really bad weather. So I've erred on the side of caution. I've decided not to get the float tube out just yet. So I've got my waders on. I'm going to fish the bank. Been given some tips of where the fish are and where they've been coming out. And if this weather does pass, then I might well get the float tube out. But we'll see, we'll see. I'd like to, but I don't want to be stuck out there in some bad weather. So, methods wise, got a floating line on 10'7" weight, 9-foot leader, down to black damsel, hothead damsel, and then I've got a New Zealand style dropper off there down to a buzzer. Apparently the buzzers are fishing well. Other tactics that I might go for are the washing line style and just let it sit there, but we'll see how it's fishing. So you can see there's a lot of boats out, but yeah, hopefully we're in for a good day. Again, I want a catch and release ticket, so all my hooks are crunched in, and yeah, looking forward to it. I've been planning this for a little while, chatting with Brad online, so yeah, it should be good. Right, I'll meet you back on the bank, folks. Right, just had my first hook up. Oh, I missed it. I went to set the hook and it had shaken it. It's just over there. Oh, it's nice to contact a fish. See if we can get him again. Damn, that was a good fish as well. Here we go, guys, we're in finally. I just got snapped off. I've got to go and get me net. Finally. There we go. He absolutely walloped that. There we go. Beautiful rainbow. Right, let's get him unhooked. I'm going to do this without touching him. So if you'll let me hold him up for you. There we go. Pale fish. We're about £1.5, £2. Right, let's get him back. Yeah, there he goes. We're off the mark, folks. We're off the mark. That's good, isn't it? That's why we're here. So as you can tell, I'm at the far end now, and there is a concentration of anglers up here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boats, and there must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, including me, 11 anglers on this bank. So that suggests this is where the fish is. But yeah, happy with that. Yeah, it's forecast to rain till about 8 o'clock tonight, starting about 2. It's about 1:20 now. Just had a short, sharp shower. I'm going to see if it comes through. Might still get the float tube out, might not. There we go, I've just put the sonker on, first cast, and we're in. It's a good fish as well. Oh, he's off. Bloody barbless hooked. Ah, that was a good fish as well. First cast on the sonker. Just lifted my net up off the bank. This little fellow is in it. Okay, oh, there's a fish just jumped right in front of me. Right, frog, I'd love to stop and watch you. But got more important business. Here we go, guys. Fish on, don't you go in them weeds. It's a fatter fish. There he is, in the net. Thank you very much, sir. A zonker. Yeah, I'll show you one in a second. Tied by my own fair hand. And they're barbless as well, so it'll come out nice and easy. He's alright, isn't he? Nice and fat. Oh, lively. Lively character.
Yes, well no, I suppose the water's still nice and cold, isn't it?
Yeah. There we go.
Fantastic.
There we go. I saw him, I assume it's him, I saw him rise over there, right by the margin.
Yeah, yeah.
So I put him in.
That's very nice, very satisfying, isn't it?
Isn't it just?
Yeah.
Right, let's get him back. There you go, buddy. Back nice and strong as well.
Yeah.
Fantastic. There, he's sat there, look.
Oh yeah.
He's still after the fly. Here we go, I'll show you.
Oh, I see. It's,
So I did have a buzzer off the back, but there you go. I'll show you a dry one.
Yeah. I've got you. Yeah.
Very easy to tie.
Yeah, excellent. Oh, well done. That's particularly gratifying.
Yeah, especially when it's on one of your own.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a very nice gentleman. Lots to tell me about the place. Lad's just lost a big one. Unlucky, mate. That was a good fish he's just lost. Right guys, I'm going to make a few more casts and then I'm going to head up on the bank and I'm going to give you a fresh battery because we're in the yellow. And we might make a move and see what we can find elsewhere. There's a lot of water to cover. Oh, that was a bite. Bit of resistance. Determined to get you a take on camera. Right, I'm going to change up because otherwise I'm going to lose you. And we'll come back to you very soon. I've got to get one of them out. I'm surrounded by fish. There's fish coming up all around me. Got to get one in a second, surely. Not that I'm greedy, I only had that one 5 minutes ago. Oh, I'm hung up. Hung up. No, I'm not. I've decided against my better judgment and I'm getting the bad girl out. And I'm going to stick down this side and hopefully get a bend in the rod. If I don't fall out and drown, of course. Right, I'm going to get this bad girl pumped up. We'll come back to you in a little bit. Tight lines, everyone. Right, here we go. I'm going to use a bottle of champagne for the launch. It's just started to rain a bit as well, which isn't great. Right, that's me in safe. So while I've been stood here just getting my fins on, watching quite a few fish rising. So I'm still on the floating line. Right. Right, off we go. Before I get going, I'm going to set the net up. Away we go. La la la, like on the ocean wave. It's quite an easy launch actually. A lot easier than I anticipated. Well, this is the life, isn't it, folks? And all the boat anglers are coming out now because it's that time of day. Adjust my seat, proper job. Sunny's on. Right, I'm just going to take myself out a bit further and we'll start making a cast. It's always really gratifying to come to a new fishery where you've never been before. You listen to the locals, you listen to the owner on tactics and stuff. You make your own judgment on your own knowledge, and then you cast and you catch fish. And it's really satisfying. I mean, everyone you talk to, oh, I've had 9 fish, I've had 12 fish, but I'm satisfied with what I've had so far because I've never fished here before, never been here before in my life. So it's a real sense of accomplishment almost. Right, I'm going to twist myself around and then maybe, just trying to think, should I go a bit further up? No, this will do. We'll have a cast here. So we're still on the zonker. I was just speaking to Brad there and he said just keep doing what you're doing because it's working. So that's what I am doing. Oh, it's nice to have a sit down and fish. Don't get much better than this, does it? Oh, this is superb. I do like this. Fish just rose to the right of my fly then. Here we go, guys. Right, so I've changed up and I've got a blob, and then off the back of the blob I've got a small black cormorant, and I was just watching the well go by, minding my own business with a slow figure of 8, and this fish absolutely walloped. I'm not sure which flight he's got. I think he's got the cormorant. Excellent. Cool, he's holding down. Absolutely walloped it. He's spinning me around. Look at that sky. Come on, mate, show yourself. Ooh. He absolutely walloped that. I was just coming to my piece that my fishing was done today. And he's taking all right merry song and dance. Oh, he's holding really deep. This is a big fish, I think. I was daydreaming. I was just figurating that back, thinking, nah, the fishing's done today. There's no way I'm going to catch. A wallop. I hope it's a brownie. I've had tails today of 9, 12, 15 pound brownies. I've seen pictures online. He's holding tight. Let's get some line in. It'd be helpful if you dragged me back the other way, mate. There you go, on the reel. Oh, this is a fight. Come on. I haven't seen him yet. There he is. Oh, he's coming behind me. He's spinning around. Come on, let me see you. It's not that big, you know. Beautiful colour rainbow though. Come on, mate, up you come. Whoa, look at that. He's got some fight in him. Come on, mate, he's just spinning me around. There he is. There he is. There he was. God, he's got some energy, this fish. Whoa, don't go underneath me. This is an immense scrap. Too long for a short, that's for sure. There he is. There he is. Oh, no, he's not. Oh, my God. Come on, fella, give up. There he is, in the net. Boom. Right, let's see ya. Look at that for a fish, guys. Let's hold him up. There we go. Oh, here we go again. Here we go again. What's going on here? That was twisted around the end of the rod. He's still on. I'm making right pigs here with this, aren't I? We've landed him once, we'll have to go again. He's still there. Come on, mate, in you come. Power of this fish. You can see the cormorant there, right in his corner of his lip. Come on. There he is. Take two. Right. Let's get you on hooked, mate. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful rainbow. On the cormorant. There we go. He's out. I've made a mess of that, my fella. Right, what's going on here? I'll have to change that fly. Right, let's hold him up. Yeah, let me hold you up this time. There we go. Beautiful fish. He gave a right old song and dance, didn't he? Stunning. Right, go on, mate. There you go. There you go. Yes! Result. That's what we came for, innit? Right, folks, I think it's time to call it a day. I'm A, fished out, B, I've still got to pitch my tent, and I need to go and buy food from somewhere. The day's getting on. There's not many hours left of light, so I'm going to finish on the high. I'm going to finish on that fish, and I'll see you in the tent. Guys, thanks for joining me. It's been a right adventurous weekend. See you in a little bit. Hello. I know how to spoil myself, don't I? Bad sausage and chips. Get on. So the tent's pitched. Just been to the village, got chippies. Then I'm going to hit the hay, drive back to Cornwall tomorrow. Right everyone, what a cracking weekend this has been. That's it, we're drawing a close on the weekend and I'm heading back west down to Cornwall. But it's been a fantastic weekend. I've met some amazing guys. I just want to say a few massive thank yous. I want to say a huge thank you to Matt at Wibbon Farm for hosting me for the day and let me stay overnight, and also to Brad here at Elinor. It's been absolutely brilliant. I've been looked after, had a few fish, not as many as I'd hoped, but hey, a fish is a fish, and like I said yesterday, when you're fishing new venues that you've never been to before and you even a fish, I think is a huge achievement. So I'm pleased. I've had a great weekend, met some amazing people like I say, and I'll put links to the fisheries where I've been this weekend down below in the description. And thanks for joining me guys. If you haven't, I'd be really grateful if you consider hitting subscribe please. Well, numbers are growing nicely, which is great for the channel and getting the word out there and spreading the love of our great sport. So guys, thanks for joining me. Time for a long drive home. Stay safe, and as always, tight lines everyone.